Hi all! Today we're going to see how to use sound speakers in Blender. Sound speakers are used to specialize sounds in a 3D scene, and it's an easy way to create immersive sounds in your animations. So for this, I have created a camera in the center of the scene, a circle that is used to move all around the camera a sound speaker. Here, the sound speaker is moving, but there is no sound as I have not yet loaded a file. To do so, select the sound speaker and go to the Object Data Properties tab and click on the Open button. Go to your directory with your sound and check the mono option. If not, mono sounds work well in a 3D scene for specialization. And open the file. If you play the animation now, you can hear the sound. You can move the strip in the NLA so that it starts later. For example, move the strip with the G key here at the frame 40. And if you play the animation, the sound will not start before the frame 40. Moreover, you can duplicate the sound strip to play the sound more than once with the same sound speaker object. So use the shortcut Shift and D to duplicate the strip and move it if you want, so that you can play several times the same sound with the same sound speaker. That's it. The sound speaker object has different options, such as a distance to create attenuation. There's also a cone option, as I do not hear any difference when changing these values. If you have any idea about the effect of these values, you can write a comment below this video. When your sound is set up in your scene, you can go to the Render menu and select Render Audio. This window is used to change the container of your file, and you can save the sound of your scene. For example, here, test, and click Mixdown to save the file. In your directory, you can see the file and play it, for example, with VLC. And if you go to the codec informations, you can see that the sound is recorded with only 2 channels. If you want to save a file with more channels, for example 5.1 or 7.1, the only way I've found is going to the output properties and change the file format for FFmpeg video. Here in the encoding part, you can go to the audio section and select any file format. Select the amount of channels you want in your sound. For example, 5.1 surround sound. And if you record once again your sound in a 3D scene, well, once again you write the file on the disk, and here, if you play the sound and go to the codec informations, you can see that there are 5 channels. I think that recording separately sound and picture, for example as a image sequence, is the best way to create animations, such that you can then go to the video editing in Blender or use any video editing software you want and import the sound and the image sequence. So that's it, and I hope this video will help you to create animations with surrounding sounds in your scene easily. So goodbye and thank you for watching.